Hi friends, Assalamu alaikum, Eid Mubarak to everyone and welcome back to Azif Creation again. After fasting for 30 days, the first thing you eat should be definitely something sweet and special like Sheer Khurma. So today we'll see how to make Eid special Sheer Khurma. So let's check out the ingredients. So we need 20 grams of raisins, 20 grams of dried dates. See, this is how it looks, this hard. We need 10 grams of charoli, 20 grams of cashew nuts, 20 grams of almonds and 10 grams of pistachios. This is 10 grams of poppy seeds. This is optional, guys. 10 grams is actually 1 tablespoon. We need 120 grams of sugar, 50 grams of roasted vermicelli. This is its size, guys. This is the perfect size for making sheer. And 9 to 10 cardamom. To make cardamom powder, we're going to roast it and grind it into a fine powder, and a pinch of saffron. So let's get started. So now all our nuts and the dry dates chopped finely. So now let's go to the next step. So let's taste. See guys, how nice our Sheer Khurma has come out. It's really crunchy guys. All the nuts, dry dates and everything with the roasted save comes into the mouth and gives a really nice flavor and taste guys. So please do try this recipe at home and enjoy this Eid. So let's start this Eid celebration with a tasty and this delicious Sheer Khurma, and let this Eid bring happiness and peace to all. So once again, Eid Mubarak to everyone. So if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you in next video. Bye.